In today's topic, we'll uncover one of the contributing culprits to this issue, the DISA flaps, which are located inside the intake manifold. This is how an intake manifold looks like. The arrow indicates how an intake runner length is measured. Intake runner lengths play a key role in performance. Short runner lengths are great for the low end, while long runner lengths are great for the top end. This is where the DISA flaps come in. Their job is to vary the intake runner length by using flaps that open and close depending on how your ride is accelerating.
Okay, start engine.
Failing to close completely at crank will create a leak, resulting in a longer intake runner length. Having a long intake runner length while taking off from standstill is very bad for the low-end performance.
Okay, start engine.
This is the ideal state of the DISA flaps when the engine is switched on. Fully closed to create a short intake runner length for the low-end performance. Overall, the DISA flaps ensure smooth performance at all RPM ranges.